How to transfer money from Wise to GCash. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Starting off, you need to get yourself your very own Wise application. For it, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Wise. Click on Install to install the application in your mobile device. Once the application is installed, tap Open to it. You will have to log in into your Wise if you have not yet. To transfer your money from Wise to GCash, it is pretty simple. Tap on the Send Money option. Wait until it loads up. Then, you need to enter the amount that you exactly want to send. You can select the currency by tapping on the USD symbol that is set as default. Tap on Continue once done. Now all you have to do is enter the name, email or the phone number of the person that is associated with the GCash account. Once you do so, you would be able to transfer the money from Wise to GCash. Or to add a new account, you will have to add description regarding the routing number, account number and the account holder's name. That is how you will be able to transfer your money from your Wise to GCash. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.